Hello everyone, how are you all? So this video is I'm going to show you a natural pedicure done by fishes here in Goa. Okay, so let's go on. Show you a place. This is a beautiful waterfalls, and there are small fishes which will do pedicure for you all. Like when you put your feet into it, you'll get a small tickle on your feet. So this is like there are very few places, and this is an offbeat place which very few will come over here, and this is a beautiful place. Let's see it. So a beautiful place which is you can see here. This waterfall is Bhupar waterfall, which is also known as Guni waterfall, which is an unexplored waterfall in Goa, which is one of the unexplored waterfalls in Goa. And this place is very ideal for family trips, as it is very easy to access and very safe for children to take a dip and they can enjoy. And the depth of the waterfall, like the depth of the pond would be almost 6 feet high, not more than 6 feet. So you can get into the waterfall and you can enjoy. And there is no trekking required, as it is not inside the jungle. It is only 25-meter walkable from the from the main road. You can park your vehicle and you can get into the you can walk distance. This waterfall is very commonly known as the Guni Pond by the locals, and the Guni water it is now commonly known as the Guni waterfalls or the Bhupar waterfall. It is mainly visited most probably in the months of July to September, but we visited in the month of November, in the last week of November. So the flow of water is reduced a little bit. But if we would have gone in the month of September or October, there would be a good waterfall here. And you'll get a good massage when you stand under the waterfall. And if you keep your feet in the pond, you'll get a small tickling from the fish, which is a natural pedicure at free of cost. It's a seasonal waterfall, as the source of the water that flows is mainly from the various streams and from the mountains due to the rainfall. And it looks like you can see, look around the waterfall, like it looks like some small dam built by the Portuguese to store the water. You can see the constructions around it. Okay, the village is surrounded by the village Guni is surrounded by dense forest and rice fields. A lovely greenery on both sides that looks very beautiful, and it's worth a visit. That's so beautiful, and it is refreshing for your eyes, and the village environment will be refreshing. And the roads are narrow, hence preferred vehicles or two-wheelers or by a car you can go. The place is quite unknown still to many, even to the locals in Goa. Prefer asking the directions, or you can go by Google Map. If you type Bhupar or Bhupra waterfalls, you can go by the Google Maps. You can directly visit this. Okay. um, so it's a beautiful place. You can have a visit in this, and you can get a free pedicure in this pond. This is a beautiful waterfalls. If you like my video, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon for notification. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Have a good day.